In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a regular email to one contact in your email campaigns dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, targeted send from start to finish with confidence. First, head to your dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click Campaigns. This is your starting point for anything you plan to send, and it keeps all your work organized in one place. Next, create a new email. Click Create, choose Email, then select Regular Email. A regular email is perfect for a straightforward one-time send without automation. You'll be asked for an internal campaign name. Type a clear, descriptive name that makes sense to you and your team, since this label is for internal tracking only. Then click Begin to move forward. Now let's add your recipient. In the To section, click Add Recipients. Choose your audience, then search for the specific contact you want to receive this message. Select only that one contact and click Save. Double-check here that you've selected a single person, especially if you typically send to larger groups. Move to the From section and confirm the sender name and email address. This is what your recipient will see in their inbox. If anything looks off, click Edit to update it so it reflects the name and address you want to appear publicly. In the Subject section, click Add Subject. Type a clear, relevant subject line that sets expectations and encourages opens. Keep it concise and specific. When you're happy, click Save. Now design your message. In the Content section, click Design Email. Use the builder to add a strong heading that states your purpose, a paragraph for your main message, an image if it supports your content, and a button with a clear call to action. Keep your layout clean, use easy-to-read text, and make sure your visuals support, not distract from, your message. When you're done, click Save and Exit. Before sending, review your campaign items. Make sure all 5 are complete: To, From, Subject, Send Time, and Content. If anything shows as incomplete, go back and finish it. Also confirm the send time reflects when you want the message to go out. When everything looks good, it's time to send. Click Send to deliver the email to that one contact. That's it. Simple, precise, and delivered exactly where it needs to go. Thanks for following along. If you repeat these steps, you'll be able to quickly create polished one-to-one campaign emails whenever you need them.